I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade tomato soup without corn flour. We'll start by gathering our core ingredients. You'll want about 2 pounds of fresh, ripe tomatoes for the best flavor, along with 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget your olive oil, about 4 cups of vegetable broth, and some basic seasonings. A little bit of sugar is also key to balancing the acidity of the tomatoes, making your soup perfectly palatable. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for cooking. First, wash your 2 pounds of fresh tomatoes thoroughly and then roughly chop them. There's no need for perfection here, as we'll be blending later. Next, dice your 1 medium onion and finely mince your 2 cloves of garlic. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your diced onions and sauté them gently until they are soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your onions are perfectly softened, it's time to add the stars of our soup. Carefully add the chopped tomatoes and the minced garlic to the pot, stirring everything together. Now, pour in 4 cups of your favorite vegetable broth. Season the mixture with about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, it's time to transform our cooked ingredients into a silky smooth soup. Carefully blend the soup until it reaches your desired consistency. You can use an immersion blender directly in the pot for convenience, or transfer it in batches to a regular blender. Be cautious with hot liquids. Once blended, taste the soup and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps adding a little more salt or a pinch of sugar. Serve your hot, creamy homemade tomato soup immediately, garnished with fresh basil or a lovely swirl of cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.